Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yadira and I post new videos every Sunday, so make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss a video. So for today's video, I did an after dark clean with me, and this is going to be a part 1 of this video. Part 2, I'm going to be tackling the whole upstairs, but I basically just tackled the whole first floor, just did the main areas, the living room, the kitchen, and also the dining room. I always find it very therapeutic to clean at nighttime, and it's also very satisfying because in a way you know that when you wake up everything's gonna be cleaned already and you don't have to worry about anything. So that is like the best feeling in the world.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Tried much harder, now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers. again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things won't.
So for the most part, every single night overall, the one thing that I always like to do is wash the dishes, because the last thing you want to do the next day when you're about to make breakfast or lunch or whatever the case may be is wash the dishes in order to cook. Like, you just want everything to be nice and clean in order for you to cook. I also hate cooking in a dirty kitchen, so making sure that the kitchen is clean is like a must. But there are some days where you just feel so lazy after you've eaten dinner that you don't want to do any of the dishes, so you wait until the next day. But you know, those days are very rare in our house. But let me know in the comments down below one thing you guys have to clean every single night, and it's just like a must.
Oh, I know things will never be the same. We're strangers again. We're strangers again.
So one thing that I've been doing lately is that on Saturday nights is when I actually do laundry. I didn't show it in this video, but I did do laundry because, as I've mentioned before, Sundays are my only days off where I don't have work or school. Those days are the days that I spend editing my videos and doing homework and doing house chores, and it sucks because by the time I'm done with everything, it's already nighttime. So now I do most of the chores like the laundry and stuff on Saturday nights, because I also find that if I'm doing laundry all day on Sunday, eventually the last load, I just don't even want to fold, so it'll stay in the hamper for days, sometimes even in the dryer for days. And I hate when clothes gets wrinkly. Like, I absolutely hate that. That is probably like one of my pet peeves. So every time I do laundry, I have to take it right out of the dryer and start folding it because I just hate when it gets wrinkly. So one thing that I found that is working out pretty well for me is just doing laundry on Saturday nights, so I don't have to worry about it on Sundays.
Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
You guys, I feel like time is going by so fast. I can't believe we're already halfway through March. I feel like it was just January not too long ago and we're already in March. I remember like a few years ago, I was always saying like, oh my God, I have so much left of school. And then eventually I was like, oh my God, I have like 2 more years left. And then last year I was saying that I have a year left of school. And then now I only have 2 more months left of school, which is so crazy. Time literally goes by so fast. Like 3 years ago, I was dreading. Like, I was just like, oh my God, I feel like school is dragging. When am I going to be finished? And then now I only have 2 more months left, and I'm just super excited for that.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So that is going to be it for this part 1 of this After Dark Clean With Me video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post a video. I will also have my social media linked down below in case you guys want to see more of me and my everyday life on there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.